Okay student, so here is given the relation between degree and radian. So degree and radian, so already I have explained here that 1 degree is 1/60th revolution. 1/60th of a revolution. So 1/60th means what? Suppose that you have a triangle, you have not a triangle, you have to consider a circle. Suppose that there is given a circle, okay? So now here is the circle, here, and now this circle has a radius and you are just going to rotate it and you are reaching here, then this is the complete revolution, and in this complete revolution you will get 360 degree, okay, 360 degree. And suppose that this one is the half movement, means 180 degree, and pi rotation, in case of the radian, complete revolution is said to be the 2 pi. Why it is said to be? Because in complete revolution you get 2 pi r, and suppose that it is unit radius, then if it is unit radius, then in radian it is 2 pi. So now you will compare it and you will get the relation between radian and degree. Okay. So now here I have written that 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. So why it has become? Because you have here drawn the unit radius and you are considering everything related to the unit radius. That's why. So now about the unit radius, so suppose that this is 1 unit radius circle, and then 3 in degree it is 360 revolution, 360 degree, and now, and that will give you the 2 pi r, because one revolution is equals to 2 pi r, and the 2 pi r means 2 pi, the 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. Therefore 1 radian is equals to what it will be? 360 by 2 pi, so 2 into 180, that will give you 180 by pi. So therefore you can say that 1 radian is equals to 180 degree divided by pi. So you have got here the relation that when you have to go from radian to degree, then on that case you have to just get that 1 radian is equals to 180 divided by pi. So now I think that you have grasped it, and now just reverse it. So reverse it means what? What I am means to say you that you have to reverse the relation, that in 360 degree you have 2 pi radian angle, means now you are going to convert degree into radian, then what it will be? Then 1 degree will give you 2 pi by 360 radian. Okay, so now you have understood it. So then cut it, so then you will get pi by 180 degree. Okay, so then what relation you are getting here? That 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 degree. So now I am just recalling all this, that what I have teach you today, that about the trigonometry, that trigonometry has been made by 2 Greek words, trigono and metron. So now trigono means 3 sides and angles, metron means measurement. Then measurement of the angles, measurement of the sides of a triangle are said to be the trigonometry or included in the trigonometry. So as it is just saying about the angle, so we must have the knowledge about the angle, that what is angle. So actually angle is nothing but the rotation. So now it is rotation. The rotation is of 2 kinds. Suppose that you are rotating in anti-clockwise direction, then it will give you the plus angle, and you are rotating in negative direction, then it will give you the negative of the angle. And angle measurement are of the 2 types, degree and radian. Actually it is of 3 types. Grade is not included in your syllabus, that's why I am not discussing it. So now about degree measure, the degree measure is what? The degree measure is nothing but the 1/60th revolution. It will give you the 1 degree, and now 1 degree has been subdivided into minute, that is 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, now it is clear. Then number 2, radian measure. About the radian measure, what you can say, that if 1 unit radius circle has been drawn and 1 unit arc length is cut, then the angle made by them is called 1 radian. by the definition of this, we are getting here one important relation, that angle is equals to arc length by radius, and you have to keep this in mind. Okay, and now about relation between radian and the real number. So what you have the knowledge are getting that all real numbers are expressed in radian, or if angle is given in radian means it is a real number. Now about the relation between degree and radian, what you have get here, that 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi, and 1 degree is equals to 180 pi by 180 degree. Okay students, so now these are all about, so now you will just take the screenshot of it and make the note of it. Okay students, and that's all.